While you can pierce your belly button at home, it's always safest to have it done by a pro. If you choose to go to a professional piercer, visit the shop first to make sure it looks clean and tidy, and do some research to make sure the shop is reputable and the piercers are credentialed. Be prepared to show your ID, since in most places you have to be at least 16 to get a body piercing without a parent's consent. If you decide to do the piercing on your own, buy a belly button piercing kit that includes all the equipment you'll need, including a sterilized 14-gauge piercing needle and a piercing clamp. You'll also need a body marker, sterile gloves, antiseptic, and body jewelry. Wash your hands, clean and disinfect your belly button, and use the body marker to mark where the needle will enter and exit the skin above your belly button. When you're ready to pierce, clamp the skin where you made the marks and push the needle up through the marks in one fluid movement. Load the end of the jewelry onto the bottom of the hollow needle and push it up through the piercing. Then remove the needle and screw the ball onto the end of the piercing. Whichever way you get your piercing, care for it by soaking the area in warm saline solution for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Then, blot the piercing with sterile gauze and rinse with cool water. You can also wash your piercing once or twice a day with mild soap and water. If you go swimming or soak in a tub, cover the piercing completely with a waterproof bandage. It usually takes a few months for a belly button piercing to heal completely. Until then, don't change the jewelry or add any charms. If you notice signs of an infection, such as increasing redness or swelling, a bad odor, or greenish or yellow discharge coming from the wound, see a doctor.